120 hours of close contact with TOBE talent. Hawaii trip will be broadcast exclusively on ABEMA. It has been decided that ABEMA will exclusively broadcast TOBE summer vacation. Hawaii exclusive coverage. New determination from 9:30 p.m. on December 24th. This program will air 120 hours of close-up footage of Ken Miyake, Hiromitsu Kitayama, Number I, and IMP. All going on a trip to Hawaii over 4 episodes. The story of the Hawaii trip was not originally scheduled to be broadcast. The self-cameras each member was given in Hawaii showed private footage of the members asking themselves, "Is it really okay to broadcast this much?" and the all members dinner, which will be shown for the first time in the program footage. The members' surprising relationships and private secrets will be revealed one after another. About to be summer vacation. Exclusive coverage of Hawaii. New determination, remember to mark it down the broadcast dates. If you are fans, don't miss it. We posted the official website in our comment section.